I learned a lot. The basic of leadership,
to basically be more responsible,
hard skills and soft skills,
to respect others from a very young age,
have empathy,
valuable life lessons,
can immediately communicate with people without any problem.
Hi everyone, my name is Alvini Virini and I'm the first batch of Charis Global School. Currently, I'm a 12th graders at Sekolah Dian Harapan Cikarang.
Hi guys, my name is Selin Tan. You guys can call me Selin. I'm an alumni of the first batch. Now I'm in 12th grade and studying at Dian Harapan School.
Hello everyone, my name is Angeline Wong and I'm one of Charis Global's batch 1 students. I'm 17 years old and currently studying in SMA Maitreya Wira Batam.
Hello, my name is Michelle Natalie Wijaya. I graduated from Charis Global at 2019 as the first batch. Then I continue my senior high at the Harapan Vocational School, hospitality major.
my name is Andre, and I'm one of the first batch of graduates from CGS. I'm currently enrolled in Synergia School Academy.
Hi everyone, my name is Jolene Winardi and I'm the first batch of Charis Global School. I am currently a secondary 4 student pursuing my studies in Broderick Secondary School, Singapore.
Hi guys, my name is Jolene. I'm now in 12th grade attending in Dian Harapan High School and I graduated from Charis Global Junior High School as the first batch.
Hello, my name is Talia Audrey. I am a grade 12 student from STH and I used to be one of the first batch students of Charis Global School.
I was basically taught to always be more responsible in completing your homework done early. As I grew older, more mature, I actually got the time and the opportunity to be better, to get better school grades. So basically my grades were they're basically ranking up.
I believe that I've learned a lot during my years in Charis Global School. I learned how to be disciplined, to explore new things, and to respect others from a very young age. And these lessons really helped me in the beginning of my high school years. Since I was used to being disciplined, I didn't have such a hard time adjusting to a rather strict dormitory in Batam. I was also brave enough to get out of my comfort zone by following a lot of social activities and clubs to explore my talents. And I rarely have any conflicts with my teachers and friends because Charis Global School has always taught me to respect others first before demanding respect from others, which really helped me to expand my social circle by putting this mindset in my daily life. Although I don't have that much accomplishments academically, but I was following a lot of social activities before the pandemic happened. So I was one of the leaders in my dormitory. I was also chosen to be one of the Pasiga for our Independence Day celebration. I was also chosen to be one of the dance leaders in my dance group last year until now. And I was also chosen to be one of the dancers in a culture exchange event.
Being a student in Charis Global School was a great chance and opportunity that was given to me. I learned a lot. I learned how to manage my time wisely, I learned how to complete my tasks and assignment that was given, and also I learned how to be confident while speaking and performing in public. My message for Charis Global School is keep growing to provide a better education for future Charisians. That is all from me, thank you.
In Charis Global School, I've picked up lots of hard skills and soft skills such as being able to do presentation, public speaking, and communicating in English also. And also I learned how to work in groups and stuff like that. Because being born and raised in Medan for more than 10 years, I didn't really have the chance to improve those skills. So 2 years in Charis Global School really helped me a lot. I'm able to maintain a relatively good scores throughout the years, and also I am a secretary in the Students' Council. But other than that, I feel like I became more responsible and disciplined, and I feel like that is also one of the accomplishments that a person can make.
Throughout my journey in Charis Global School, I have been taught to be a resilient individual when facing various challenges in life, be it academic or non-academic,
Charis Global School has reinforced many valuable life lessons that has shaped me into who I am today. The leadership skills instilled in me has been very useful as I was appointed to be the class chairperson earlier this year. Despite joining the school later than my peers, I have achieved outstanding grades never did I expect I could get. And I was given the opportunity to represent the school in several notable competitions. Charis Global School has indeed played a crucial role in my life. Not only that I met many incredible teachers and lifelong friends, the school have pushed me beyond my limits and constantly showered me with love and care. I hope that Charis Global School can continue to provide a top-notch education for students and prepare them to be future-ready learners.
As an alumni, I am very grateful to have the opportunity to be part of Charis Global. In there, I learned a lot of lessons, not only by the academic but also by the non-academic. Like we, as a students, are trained to be more confident, disciplined, have a good communication skill, how to manage our time, the basic of leadership, and we also learn how to solve our own problems and others. I really like how the teachers build our characteristic and also the kinship between us fellow students and also the teachers. Because in Charis Global, I really feel what family means, what unity means. Even though we came from different families, different countries, different religions, but in school, we are one as a family, and I really feel what school is my second home means. And all of the good values I applied to my senior high with my classmates so that they get a good impact from me. In senior high, things that I have achieved are I was entrusted by my class teacher to be the class president in grade 10, and in some event I was chosen to be the class leader in some competition, and currently I was chosen again by my teacher to be the secretary in his class. And I hope there's other achievement that I can get in the future. As an alumni of Charis Global, allow me to give a short message that I know Charis Global will be more successful in teaching and build every student in the school, and Charis Global can produce their best quality of the students. And for the current students, please appreciate and enjoy every moment that you have in school, even though by online, because you can't repeat or you don't have any second chance in your life to repeat the moment again. And to be honest, I'm so proud to be part of Charisian since I was kindergarten until I was junior high. I really miss that time, and I hope that I could see teachers, my students, and other people in Charis Global.
So the lesson that I have learned is that social is very important. Really, if you don't learn about social, then how can you communicate with other people? So when I find a new environment using the lesson that I have learned there, I can immediately communicate with people without any problem. Oh yeah, and I also have a memorable moment there in Charis Global School. Actually, there are a lot of memorable moments, but not possible like if I say it one by one. So I choose the memory that I think is very unforgettable. It was when I danced with my friend. It was so much fun when I danced with them. And that's all from me. I'm very grateful to Charis Global School for nurturing me to be a good person, to become a more independent person.
Charis Global School has taught me a lot of things, and most of those lessons aren't necessarily always academic related. In fact, most of those lessons can be used in our everyday lives, and I also have applied them in my current school, like being obedient, disciplined, being responsible, have empathy, and be respectful towards others regardless of their differences in their backgrounds. To be completely honest, I haven't quite accomplished anything in my current school. However, I would like to say that being able to pass from grade 10 to grade 12, being able to finish my school report or my carreumia in grade 11, and being able to continue my education in STH is already a blessing and a huge achievement for me, and therefore I'm glad to say that I'm satisfied with it. If you ask me, I think my most memorable moments in Charis Global School would actually be our field trips, our LDKS events, aka our camp day at school. I mean, who doesn't love camp? And of course, our dance rehearsals for events in Charis, like our annual day or graduation day, our Bahasa Day, and also, of course, our open house. My message to Charis Global School is thank you for being the root of my tree, thank you for being the retina of my eye, and thank you for being the beating heart of my life.
All students, I hope you will work diligently and enthusiastically to achieve your goals. 6 months from now on, all of you will take the final high school exam, which is then continue to higher level. Therefore, never waste your golden time. Use it to learn new things, socialize with the wider and limitless outside world well, obey norms of life, and be humble. Once again, reach your goals with hard work, effort, and prayer. Good luck. God bless you.
You cannot break the chain.
We cannot break this chain.
You can't break the chain.
You can't break the chain.
You can't break the chain.
And you can break the chain.
You can't break the chain.
You can't break the chain.